In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off read receipts in WhatsApp Web. If you've ever wanted to read messages without sending those blue check marks, this is for you. Keep in mind, when you turn off read receipts, you also won't be able to see when others have read your messages. This change affects one-on-one chats. Group chats still show read receipts, and voice notes will still show when they've been played. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type web.whatsapp.com or search for WhatsApp Web and click the official result. You should see a clean login page with a QR code. Make sure you're on the official WhatsApp site before signing in. To link your account, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to the menu for linked devices, choose to link a device, and scan the QR code you see in the browser. If you see an option to log in with your phone number instead, you can follow the on-screen prompts to verify and sign in that way. After linking, your chats will load in the browser. If they don't appear right away, give it a few seconds or refresh the page. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen. To access settings, click the small gear icon near the bottom of the sidebar. If you don't see a gear, click the three dots near your profile avatar and choose Settings from the menu. This opens a panel where you can manage your account preferences. Next, select Privacy. This is where WhatsApp keeps options related to your visibility, last seen, and message acknowledgements. Inside Privacy, find the setting labeled Read Receipts. You'll see a checkbox or a toggle switch next to it. Click it to turn read receipts off. The change is immediate. From now on, people who message you in individual chats won't get blue ticks when you read their messages, and you won't see theirs either. As a heads up, read receipts for group messages and played voice notes still show, and status views are tied to this setting as well. If you turn read receipts off, you won't see who viewed your status, and others won't see that you viewed theirs. If you want to confirm it worked, you can have a trusted contact send you a message and notice that the ticks stay gray even after you open it. And remember, you can return to the same privacy screen anytime to turn read receipts back on. That's it. You've successfully turned off read receipts in WhatsApp Web. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.